Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different than DIY videos. What we're doing in this video is we bought an RV camper. What we need to do today is install the fifth wheel hitch so we can go and pick it up. They're expecting us here today at 11 o'clock, so I got like 40 minutes to get this hitch installed and be on our way. What we got here, BMW 20,000 pounds rated hitch. It goes inside the bed. When I purchased this truck, I already had a gooseneck ball BMW installed, so all I had to do is buy the companion hitch. It's supposed to fit right in here. Pull this out, and that companion should go right in that hole using the same pin from the side to lock it in place. Let's get to work, see how it works. So we are kind of running out of time. We have to be there at 11 o'clock, and I'll just throw all this back in my truck, and I'll call the guys and see if they're gonna help me up there to put it all together. This really is a two-man job, so let's throw it back into the truck, go up there, see if their technician will help me put it on. We'll hook it up and be on our way back home. All right, we're on our way to go pick it up. I got everything loaded up in there. It's 10:54. So let's get there and see if we can get it installed up there at their shop. If not, I guess I'll have them deliver it to my house, and then I'll figure out how to install that hitch myself. It's not that bad, I just don't have enough time to sit there and read it. There's my wife. Slow down. She's excited to get out of here. Look at her. This right here is what I'm interested in. Generator. That's if you're camping out in the boonies, you have power.
slides. We're going to do the wardrobe slide in the bedroom first.
Go through there.
It's a moving back right now. Out. He's taking his first ride in the motor, in the fifth wheel.
You can hear it stop when it stops.
Yep.
There you go.
Same sound coming in. You've got to be able to stop it. If you keep holding the button, it will start winding up backwards. Come on down and take a look. Do you see the middle line?
That's how it's gonna look on the job site. Campground. Slides are out. Canopy's out. And these slides are out. Almost ready to go. Enough. They're gonna go ahead and install it for me, put it together. I don't know, that's about 40-50 minutes of work. Get it done and hook the RV up and be ready to go. It's in there now, huh? I wonder why they want it to be kicked back all the time.
It doesn't make a lot of sense to me because I like it tilted forward.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah.